Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add your own custom color on the border of any open program window in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me open one program. Say let me open a notepad. So right now you can see there is no any color on the border of this open program window, right? So how you can add your own custom color on the border of this open program window? So for this, what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to the Windows Start icon, just click on it and just go to the settings, and after that just click on this personalization, and you can see your colors. Just click on it, and now just scroll down below. Now you can select any one of this color, whichever you like. So I'll just select a red color just to give you an example. So once you see a tick mark indication, that means this color is selected. Now still you won't see any color on the border of this open program window, right? So just scroll down more, and now you will see here just below here one option, so accent color on the title bars and Windows borders. So once you enable this, now you can see a respective color will get appeared on the border of any open program window. So let me open the earlier program. So you can see here, you can see a red border color on this respective open program window. So if you want to change the color, you can select any color. If you select a green also, you can select it. So now you can see the border color has turned into a green one. So you can add a custom more colors. You can just click on this view colors, and you can select any one of the color, whichever color you prepare. So let me select one color here, and you can just click on done. Now this color will be added or selected. Now you can see here respective custom color has been added on the border of any program window. So if you want to disable it again, you can just turn it off. Now the border color has disappeared again. So this is the way how you can add your own custom color on the border of any open program window in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.